Hello, Chippewa community. This is Molly Hollahan, the principal of Chippewa Middle School, and I just wanted to take about 3 or 4 minutes to kind of give an end of the school year update as we head into these final days of school. It's amazing. It's already June and this year is wrapping up. So just a couple of things to share with you. Overall this year, I just have to say that our students and our staff have been amazing. We definitely had some bumps this year, certainly with local, national, global events and just readjusting to being back full in person, learning each and every day. But it has been a really successful year. I am consistently impressed with students' resiliency. They have been respectful and kind. They've had to shift to wearing masks to not wearing masks or having it be optional. COVID protocols have shifted around and students have just really gone with it and been kind and respectful and really accepting of students and staff's individual choices. I think our teachers have done a fantastic job of filling in any of the gaps that have occurred with some disrupted learning while continuing to foster student progress. And our families have just been incredibly supportive and compassionate. We were excited to be able to host wonderful end of year celebrations. We got to have band and choir and orchestra concerts in person. We held events for 8th graders, including an academic excellence ceremony and a celebration of World War I projects. Next week on Tuesday, we are going to have our 8th grade party in the afternoon, and we're going to provide some freezies, like those popsicles for 6th and 7th grade students at lunch. So we're going to wrap up the year with some fun celebrations. A couple reminders that we're going to offer to students, and if you could just check in with them at home, that would be great. Yearbooks are going to be distributed on Monday before school and during lunch. Please let your child know if you have ordered one, and if you didn't, but you do want your child to have a yearbook, they will be available for purchase after lunches on Tuesday in the main office for $35. We are also collecting Chromebooks starting on Monday. Please have your child return their Chromebook with the charger. We will be collecting those in English language arts classes. And in fact, if you could look around home and just see if you have any extra chargers, that would be great. We'd like to have all those returned to us. Summer is approaching. Next week we have no after-school activities in that final week of school, with one exception. On Tuesday there is a strategic gaming club, which is a makeup day for a day that they missed out earlier. There is not going to be a shuttle to Mounds View High School for athletics. Most athletic teams have wrapped up their year. Students are expected to leave campus at the end of the day at 2:30 on the bus or walking or biking home or getting their rides. We do want students to leave campus as we do not have supervision for them. Our final day of school is Thursday, June 9th. Friday is a work day for teachers, and report cards will be available that following week in Parent View. I just wanted to say thank you to all of our families. We are so proud of our 8th graders who've had a disrupted middle school experience, and yet they have triumphed and they are ready for high school. We're eager to have our rising 7th and 8th graders back next year, and we have big, big plans for them. We are looking forward to welcoming our new 6th graders as they come to us next fall, and we just are really grateful for your support, your kindness, your encouragement, and your partnership. So thanks. Have a fun, relaxing, safe, and amazing summer. Take care. Bye-bye.